Inside a dim 1950s Soviet lab, a dog lies on a blood-spattered table. Another head is grafted onto its neck. The camera focuses on the unnatural junction. Shavka's head turns, ears perking. A red spotlight pulses on the graft site. Text: Real Soviet 2, headed dog, alive for days. Close-up reveals vascular anastomosis. Arteries and veins are meticulously sutured. Blood pulses visibly through connections. A HUD overlay shows blood flow. Shavka's head laps at water. The spotlight intensifies, casting a bloody glow.